Hi, in this video we'll talk about the chemical compound sodium hydroxide with the formula NaOH. It's also known as caustic soda and it is made of sodium, oxygen and hydrogen. It's a ternary compound because it contains three different elements. It is classified as a base and it has an ionic bond. Since sodium donates electrons to the OH group, this type of compound belongs to the hydroxides, and it's one of the strongest and most used bases in the world.
How is NaO obtained? NaO is obtained through an industrial process called electrolysis of sodium chloride dissolved in water. This process separates ions using electricity. One electrode releases chlorine gas, the other hydrogen gas, and sodium hydroxide informs in the solution. It's an important process in the chemical industry because it produces three important substances just from a single reaction.
Sodium hydroxide NaOH is used at home to make soap, clean ovens, and on laundries. It is a strong cleaning agent that helps remove grease and blockage. But NaOH it's very corrosive. If you touch it without protection, it can burn your skin and cause irritation. That's why you always have wear gloves and goggles when using it. Be careful because if you touch without gloves and our goggles, you have consequence. And forget, don't touch your face and your eyes because it's very dangerous.
In the industry, sodium hydroxide is very important. It is used for the creation of medicine, textiles, and to treat water. It is very important that almost every chemical factory makes use of it in these days. It is very important to treat sodium hydroxide correctly, but if not, it can lead to polluted water, so it needs to be handled with responsibility.
Conclusion. After researching this compound as a team, we understood that sodium hydroxide, or NaOH, is one of the most important bases both in industry and in homes. Thanks to its ability to react with fats, it helps make products like soap, and because it's so alkaline, it's ideal to adjust pH in chemical process. We also learned that NaOH is obtained through electrolysis, a process that turns simple salts into high value in industrial products. However, we also saw that it's very corrosive and dangerous. If not used properly, it can cause serious burns or damage the environment if it spills into water sources. That's why we believe that sodium is a great example of how chemistry can be powerful and helpful, but also requires responsibility and knowledge to be used safely.